Professional video editing used to cost $300 plus per month in software alone. In 2026, these free AI tools match 80% of that capability at zero cost. CapCut's AI features are insane for free. Auto captions, background removal, AI-generated transitions, and smart editing that cuts to the beat. The catch: a watermark on some exports. Descript's free tier lets you edit video by editing text. Delete a sentence from the transcript, and it removes it from the video. Filler word removal is magic. Microsoft's free editor with AI auto-compose, text-to-speech narration, and smart resize for social platforms. Perfect if you're already in a Microsoft ecosystem. Canva's video editor, InVideo AI, and Veed's free tier all deserve mention. Each has unique AI strengths, but more limitations on the free plans. Which free AI video editor do you use? Comment your pick below. Subscribe for the paid AI video editor comparison dropping next week.